Hello friends, welcome to Technical Gan YouTube channel. I am Paresh Mishra. In today's video, I am going to tell you that without Google AdSense you can earn from your website if your website has not received the approval of Google AdSense, then you can earn a lot. By connecting such an ad network, you can see in the dashboard that yesterday's earning is $2.39, means in last 30 days I am going to tell you everything that which ad network you have to connect, because it is obvious that if your website has not received the approval of Google AdSense, then which is the best alternative of Google AdSense with which you can earn from your website. So in this video, before moving ahead, I will tell you that if your website is related to movies or there is any content in which Google AdSense is not giving approval, like my movie website which I have designed in Newspaper 12 theme, it is very simple, and in this I have connected the same ad network. I have another website, this is also my movie website, joytropefilm.com, and in this also there is movie content, and because of movie content I am not getting approval of Google AdSense, so I have connected such an ad network with which I earn minimum $3 per day. This much Google AdSense also gives earnings, so it is obvious that if your website has content in which Google AdSense is not giving approval, so this is an ad network whose name is Advertica.com. Maybe someone has told you its first name was Affiliate Ad. Now it has changed the name of ad network, and whenever I have kept minimum payout in this, it is $10. Whenever it is $10, I get payment on every Thursday. So you can see how many payments I have taken in this, so every Thursday I get earnings. In this, you can see today I have got payment on 26th, 2023, last I got payment on 28th. 2023 means 3 or 4 days before that, means every weekly payment whenever I have kept minimum $10, it is $10 on Thursday, so I get payout in this, so I have done both these designs in newspaper theme, and if you want to purchase newspaper theme, then go to my store technicalgan.my.com. There are many themes in this, which you will get by paying premium themes, like 250 rupees, or if you want to buy GeneratePress, then from 180 rupees, and if you want to buy Neve Pro, then from 149 rupees, so I have made such a store, from which you can purchase premium theme, so there are many themes. I have kept only useful themes. If you want newspaper, then it is 230, news is also a very good newspaper theme, news, Astra Pro, you must be knowing, Avada, Neve Pro, GeneratePress. There are many themes which are easy to use, and I have put the same theme in this, which is very famous, so there are 10 to 12 themes in this, which you can purchase. And you will get plugin in this store, like Elementor Pro, Media Cleaner, W3 Total Cache Pro version, and Autospanner. I will tell you the best plugin in this, for which you must be wondering, like WP Rocket, which you will get in 230 rupees, so you can purchase from this. So now I am going to make a video. The main purpose of this video is to tell you the best alternative of Google AdSense. Many people wonder like this, that my website is not getting Google AdSense approval. There is traffic in the website, but there is no earning. I will tell you a simple way. If you have given approval to Google AdSense but not getting approval, then you can connect this ad network. You can use this ad network with Google AdSense. So now the thing is, which ads are visible in this? So there is a direct smart link. You can also put banner ad, pop under, pop-up ad, redirect ad. I have put push notification ad only, rest I have not put all these, only push notification ad gives me $3 earning per day, so you don't believe, I have told everything in this. I have taken payment also, and it gives amazing payment. Every Thursday you get $9 or $10, whatever you set minimum, and through PayPal I have to take payment. I have connected PayPal in this, Pioneer Bank transfer also happens, but in that there will not be daily payment, there will not be weekly payment option, which you can see. Through PayPal I get 2 times weekly payment, you can see I took 28.5, then 2.6, means in 3 or 4 days I got second payment, then I took 23.5, then 23, 28, 2, 17, 8, means you can understand, as soon as it has $10, I get payout from this. Now I will tell you in detail, that country-wise, from which country I get more traffic, so in this I get more traffic from India. You can see, if you ask that in India traffic comes, then how much earning will be there. So you see, I am telling you about last 7 days. In last 7 days I got 85,000 impressions, 55 clicks, and so many conversions, and the most important thing in this is eCPM. eCPM, which is cost per mile, means how much you will get on 1,000 view. So in this there is very good CPM, and because of this only I got so much earning in last 30 days. You can see, in last 10 days or 7 days, I earned $16 from this, means per day earning minimum $2.5 or $2.5 I get easily from this in last 30 days. Also I will tell you, I don't want to confuse you, in last 30 days I will reload and tell you, in last 30 days I earned $53 from this, and eCPM you can see is 15, so it is very good ad network. You can also use it easily, and in this only I am getting traffic from India, and India has so much CPM. If out of India, if your website is getting traffic, then you can see very good earning in this. So this is an ad network. You must connect with this. It is easy to use, easy to approval. I will give you affiliate link. If you connect with this, you will get approval very soon, and I also get discount. From this, I will give you affiliate link in video description. You can click on it and go to this ad network, and it is easy to approval. Within 2 hours you will get approval. Just you have to connect ad network in this, you have to connect your website, and from this you have to use push notification. Here you have to put your website domain, and here you have to put your website code, and you have to put that code in your website header. So this is easy to use, and a very good ad network. So if you want to connect this ad network, I will give you link. You must connect with it, and if you want premium theme, premium plugin, you can go to my store. You will get it in very cheap price. You will get to see very good themes. I will give you link. You can purchase it, and if you have any problem after purchasing theme, then mail me, pareshmishra@redgmail.com, and my WhatsApp number is shared with you. You can contact me if you have any problem after purchasing theme. Then you can contact me, so there is no problem. It is not like I have made store. You will purchase, you will not download, or any technical error is coming, then also you can contact me. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.